Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by iron ore and tin developer Venture Minerals, ASX code VMS. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Venture Minerals, Andrew Radonjic. Hi Andrew.
How are you, Matt?
Venture Minerals just hit a monster drill intersection at its Mount Lindesay tin tungsten project in Tasmania, where the company is targeting high-grade zones within its existing tin deposit. The project is already considered to be one of the world's largest undeveloped tin deposits and a globally significant tungsten play. Venture recently launched an underground feasibility study on the back of over 100,000 metres of drilling that has been ploughed into the project to date. OK, Andrew, let's have it. What was that monster tin drill hit and exactly where is your Mount Lindesay project?
Yeah, Matt, we're on the west coast of Tasmania. We're just about 10 or 12 k's long strike from the Radonjic Bell tin mine, Australia's only tin mine and a world-class asset in itself. But getting back to our record intersection, we've got 147 metres of tin, 1% tin and 0.2% tungsten, or 1.2% tin equivalent from only just 90 metres below the surface.
Now, was that drill hole still mineralised at bottom or was that the end of it?
No, we've still got some assay results to come back, so we're pretty excited. That will obviously give us a bigger intersection, and we've got more drilling that we're putting into the same zone as we speak.
Were there any higher grade cores within that 147 metre hit?
Yeah, no, some beautiful sweet spots in there. We had 45 metres at 2.5% tin and 0.3% tungsten, and even better, the 9 metres at nearly 6% tin and 0.3% tungsten.
Now, I'm guessing it's about to grow, but how big is the existing tin tungsten resource at Mount Lindesay now, and how does it compare to others that are out there in terms of size?
Well, look, we've got just over 80,000 tonnes of tin metal in resource, JORC-compliant resources, and when you compare that to, Renaissance obviously been going for 140 years, and it's got nearly 500,000 tonnes of endowment, so I suppose we're nearly a fifth of the way there, and it's very early days for the company.
Do you consider a grade of 1% to be potentially economic when talking tin? I mean, the market doesn't fully understand tin grades, I don't think. And secondly, how much do you get for a tonne of tin these days, and how does it compare to, say, copper or nickel?
Well, look, it's a good question, Matt, and that's why I sort of like to talk about, we compare it against copper and also nickel, which the market understands. And quite often, if you want to be economic, you're looking around about 1.5% nickel or maybe up to 2% copper. But, at $39,000 US a tonne, we're almost 4 times the price of copper and twice the price of nickel. So 1% tin is like 4% copper or 2% nickel. So, in our view, very economic.
I notice you're also one of the many juniors that are seeking to ride off the back of Chalice Mining's amazing Julimar discovery in Perth, and the Chalice are actually farming into that project. So well done to you, Andrew Radonjic from Venture Minerals. Thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.